Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add JazzCash as a payment method on Google Play in just a few easy steps. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to support the channel. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Google Play on your phone. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. I've already done that. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Payments and Subscriptions. From there, tap Payment Methods, and then select Add Credit or Debit Card. Now, enter your JazzCash number or your JazzLink bank account information. The screen may appear black here for privacy reasons, but just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once you're done, you'll have successfully added JazzCash as a payment option in Google Play. And that's it. Quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our daily drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.